What are we trying today, Jamie?
We are trying meat sticks.
We're going to try and guess what kind of meat it is that we're eating, and then we're going to talk about how tasty it is.
We're as excited as you are, probably.
Oh boy.
Ooh.
So
Right.
we have two different things here.
Two totally different colors.
Looking at it off the top of my head, I'm gonna say pork.
You smell like beef. So I'm gonna guess that's beef.
That tastes like cranberries. I mean, that can't just be, there's gotta be some cranberry in there.
It's like sweeter. This one is,
They're not the same animal. They can't be.
but they are. Maybe it's turkey.
Oh, it's turkey.
This one tastes like turkey chilies.
That's what we're going with.
Turkey.
Turkey. All right, Jamie, which is your favorite?
Definitely this one, considering I couldn't get through eating this one without taking a sip of water.
Yeah, this is my favorite too. There's the fruit flavor in here is quite nice. These are exactly the same as the last one.
I feel like this one has got to be from the same
the
family.
same thing.
Can we get the Jeopardy timer?
Well, that's much worse. It's not good at all.
That I'm gonna guess this is something really weird, like kangaroo or I don't know, lizard. I don't know.
I want to forget that that happened.
I can't. The water makes it worse. I can't even identify a flavor profile for that one.
Maybe you could use this to catch another animal and eat that, but I don't think that you would want to eat whatever animal would eat this.
Oh.
Oh, this looks good. I like meat sticks.
What?
Well, it's familiar. I know that it's probably gonna taste okay. Right now I'm calling it. I haven't even tried it. It's pork. It's pork. Maybe beef. I'm sticking with pork.
I say chicken.
What's your favorite? Yeah, this is my favorite too. Pork.
Bacon and pork. So these were, the serving size is 6 pieces, so you get 6 of these little guys. For 110 calories, 7 grams of fat, 2.5 in sat fat. So that's a little bit higher than we usually like our snacks to be. 5 grams of sugar because of the maple vibe I guess it's going for. But there are 5 grams of protein.
All right, this was
Beef?
Beef.
Beef?
Really? But this has 420 milligrams of sodium, so this is definitely higher. I'd say this is almost off the table.
Oh! You're both wrong.
This is turkey?
Wow. I taste it now.
It doesn't. All right.
Sims, snack sticks. Say that 5 times fast. Turkey sausage.
How is it on sodium?
160 milligrams for 1 stick. So it's 7% of your daily value for 1 stick. But the thing is, I don't think I'd be able to stop at just 1. These are pretty.
What's a serving?
1 stick.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's 45 calories, 3 grams of fat, only 1 gram of sat fat, less than 1 gram of carbs. So if you're keto or diabetic or you want to be low carb, beef sticks, turkey sticks, meat sticks of any kind are always a good option, I think, if you find one that's healthy.
That's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Join us next week where we're going to be tasting something else we don't know.
If you're watching on Facebook, comment below, tell us what we should try next. Give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.
And make sure you follow us on YouTube. Click the subscribe button and we'll alert you whenever we've got a new video out. Thanks again.
Bye.
Bye. See you next week.
We're so awkward.
Yay!